Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am home from work. Hey guys, I am on my way on an interview. I'll show you guys what the outfit looks like when I get back in the video. Yeah, I'll show you guys what this dress looks like. This is what I'm wearing for my interview, and I'll see you guys back after the interview. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Walter and we're on our way into Cracker Barrels. Walter?
Hello.
We don't really have any footage, you guys, and that's real. I'm not gonna make up anything just to have footage to share with you guys. We really don't have anything going on. I did have my interview today. We'll talk about that when I get home, and then that'll be the end of the vlog, and we'll close out on that. But
did you take the outfit you wore today?
I did.
Yeah, that's cool.
But anyway, so you guys, I'll see y'all then before we sit down and talk. This is my store. Huh?
Let's look around the
I
store.
will. I'm gonna go check in right quick.
I'll go check in.
Oh, okay.